Welcome to the Keyword Finder tutorial video. The Keyword Finder will, based on one initial keyword, find keyword questions that are related to that keyword. Keyword questions are great because they offer you a very quick and simple way to get some new article ideas. So for today's example, let's go with Mario Brothers. Now I'm going to click on Run, and you see the status of the task displayed at the bottom here. So it's waiting and now it's running. If I click on the cancel button, it'll take me outside, and you can see this is where my task has been saved, and the status appears here at the bottom. And I don't actually lose any work, so I can always click back on the Keyword Finder. At the moment, there's nothing to display, so the interface is empty, but we're going to let it go ahead and do its search and come back with some results. Now the task has finished running, and I'm going to go down to the log and let's go over quickly what it's done. So it takes the initial keyword, it goes to Quora initially, finds some results for Quora. If it doesn't find anything, it will actually go next to Google, and then it will search the Google people also ask. Then once that's finished, it goes out to Reddit and searches Reddit for some results, and once that's done, takes all the results, removes any duplicates, and returns the final result. Clicking on the task name brings us back to the task settings, but in the middle now you see the keywords that it's found. Now not everything here might be useful to you, so this is where we have our filtering. So I notice here that actually when I scroll down, I'm only interested in questions. So let's specify that all my keywords require to have the question mark. So here we have questions. Anything that's been striked through in red are being ignored by the results. If there are some results that I don't want to use, I can always put them into ignore keywords. Let's try jump man. So you notice that result now has been removed. With the filtering finished, I can copy what's left over to my clipboard. I can also remove the filtered items permanently. I can also remove all of them if I wish to start again. If you have any questions about this task, please get in contact, seocontentmachine.com.